So let's talk about the CPIM certification. It's a key credential for any supply chain pro.
Today's supply chains face constant pressure, right? Let's see how to manage all that risk.
To really thrive, you have to adapt quickly and keep operations running strong, no matter what.
And that's exactly where the CPIM certification from ASCM Houston comes in.
It's laser-focused on the day-to-day work, planning, production, and inventory. So if your job touches any of these critical functions, then CPIM is definitely for you. So many roles benefit. Planners, analysts, even procurement specialists get a huge leg up.
Bottom line, CPIM gives you the tools to absolutely master this core mission.
Okay, so what exactly is in this new supply chain toolkit? Let's break it down.
First up, you'll learn how to take all that demand data and turn it into real, actionable plans. Then, you'll master how to get all your resources lined up perfectly with production schedules. It's all about hitting that sweet spot with inventory, great service, but without overspending.
Plus, you'll apply proven methods like lean and just-in-time to cut waste and boost efficiency.
Now, this is a huge career advantage, especially in hubs like Houston and Baton Rouge. It helps you improve efficiency, manage disruptions, and just stand out in a competitive market. And get this, just look at the major players in energy and chemicals who value this certification.
Yeah, companies like ExxonMobil and Dow rely on these skills to run their massive operations.
But it's not just energy. It's also super trusted in manufacturing and industrial companies. Think about it. Leaders like Boeing and Caterpillar depend on this kind of expertise. And of course, it's also a big deal in the fast-moving world of consumer goods.
Yep, even huge brands like P&G and Nestle are looking for people with these skills.
So you might be asking, what's the path to getting certified? Well, it's actually pretty simple.
ASCM Houston lays out a really clear 5-step process that guides you straight to success. Just head over to their website. You'll find all the course options and registration info right there. So, are you ready? With these tools, you can be the one driving your company's supply chain forward.